Hi, this is Melanie, and I have a project share to share in the group. And this was one of Donna's design team projects that I finished, and I wanted to show you up close what I did to my pumpkin. This was I'll turn it around for a minute just so you can see. It was an orange pumpkin, wooden pumpkin, with a green stem. This is what I hang it by outside, and there's my little battery pack. So that's what we started off with. I used some napkins down here as decoupage. She had some beautiful, beautiful napkins. I did an unboxing, so you can go back and watch that video if you like to see what all comes in the kit. But pretty much telling you now. So she included these napkins. She had this sunflower, this beautiful it's a yellow leaf, but I put stickles around it, and that looks a lot better in person. That looks like white icing on a cookie, but in person it looks more golden. And this word is gather. She had some other leaves. Here's one under here. There's a green leaf that I decorated with some sequins, and all these pretty sheer leaves she had. These ones, like these up here, they're just kind of, the sheer one is behind the more thick one, and these three flowers are mine. Then here's another set. Another set of flowers. I'm getting it messed up here. Leaves down here, and I put some stickles around the edges. On this side, I added. Let me get back up right here. I added at the stem. I added a burlap bow, a real frayed burlap bow. Put an orange on top of that, and a couple of metal leaves. Okay, and then I also added the stem and distressed it a little bit with some inks. Then I added, let me get a little bit closer to the camera here, these little scarecrows that I got from the dollar store, and they're really, really, really cute. It's like a her and him scarecrow, but they're so cute. And then I put lights through the hats, and underneath this big fat mum of or sunflower. It's a different kind of sunflower, and the battery pack goes from constant orange to let's see, a blinking purple orange, or on constant purple. I put it on the constant orange because that's the way I like it. And this is what I wound up with my design team project. I decoupaged the napkins on. I added the flowers. I added a few. Oh, here's another leaf up here. It's one of the uh, orangey golden, maroon leaves with some sequins on it that she had in her kit. I used almost everything except for one brown leaf that she had in her kit. But this is my design team project, and I had a lot of fun with it. And I thought of so many uses to use this with. If you put an easel on the back, I have my little chalkboard here that has my store, not store name, but my name for my page on it, and it has that easel on the back. You could do that and put it on your table, at the end of the table, for Thanksgiving. You can hang it up on the wall. You hang it up on the door outside with lights. You could put two. You could actually do two or four and decorate each one of them differently. Okay, and have it the centerpiece of your table. And I think the ladies on the design team and I are going to try to get together and do some leftover projects that you can do with the parts that we had left over. I had a few leaves and a napkin. because I had to redo my decoupaging down here. Um, but anyway, this is mine, and I just love those scarecrows. I love the lighting behind them. I love Donna's idea of the wooden pumpkin, and I think everybody should run out and get one and see what you can do with it, because the no, you could put little haystacks and stack it inside the haystacks. They have so much stuff at the store. I mean, my mind is just going nuts now that I have one. I've already done it. Here's some more of those leaves. And, but, like, you could get some little bales of hay, put this in between it, or, crosshair in between it, and then add a little, they make houses. You could do a house that looks like a house sitting out on a rolling country theme, and use some scrapbook paper. Oh my gosh, there's just so many opportunities that you could use this pumpkin for. But anyway, I'm using mine outside, and I will bring it inside when we have dinner time. And we didn't change the color scheme too much because we wanted to use what she sent us. But after we thought about it and we talked about it together, we could have actually repainted the pumpkin and made it a shabby chic color, and repainted the leaves and the flowers and made it totally pink or light purple or mint greens and stuff. So think about that. You don't have to leave it orange either, ladies. So that is my design team project. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. And if you have any questions about what I did and how I did these lights over here, please let me know. And thank you for watching my video. Go to Donna's store on Etsy. It's the link is on my YouTube, and you will find the link for this product on my YouTube as well. You will also find the other design team members' YouTube links so you can see their videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I appreciate you joining me.